Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuhu. Mapita.
Magandang araw.
Maayong adlaw.
Kami ang new champions ng Cotabato City.
Ngayon, ating pag-usapan ang ating kalikasan.
Tungkulin nating lahat ang wasto at responsableng pagtatapon ng mga basura na nagsisimula sa ating mga tahanan. Dapat rin tayong makilahok sa mga programa na nagsusulong na pangalagaan ang kalikasan tulad ng pagsali sa mga clean-up drive, tree planting activities, advocacy trainings at iba pa.
The waste generation of Cotabato City is 114 tons per day. Our dump site is currently almost at its full capacity. We need to implement measures to reduce the waste being disposed to our existing final disposal facility. And the way to do it is to introduce waste diversion strategies with the end in view that not all waste being generated shall go to the dump site and instead be converted into a resource or useful materials. We believe that improvement in solid waste management may only be attained through behavioral change. So we introduced the school-based solid waste management program wherein students are being taught the importance of the practice of proper solid waste management. The school-based solid waste management program includes Bring Me program, wherein the use of their MRF are extended to reach the community by way of encouraging children to bring the recyclables at homes to schools. We also have introduced Pwede Pa Yan mindset. This is also a behavioral change wherein instead of immediately throwing away waste, one should think of strategies on how and what can still be make use of it.
Bilang isang kabataan, ating pangalagaan ang inang kalikasan.
Lahat tayo apektado sa sakinang dulot nito, kaya ngayon, simulan na natin ang aksyon.
Para sa kinabukasan ng susunod na henerasyon.
Bata, gumising ka sa katotohanan.